All right, so there's my TV. And if you look on the very top right here, that's your universal power button. So if I point it at the TV and I press that, it's going to turn on. There you go. Bam, Bob's your uncle. We're on. All right, and that's basically how you do it. So you can see it works. Let me just show you a little navigation. So whichever direction this arrows point, that's where it's going to go. Right now it's showing home, right? So if I come on the arrow and I click it, it should go over to Apple TV, right? Let's see. See how it highlighted Apple TV? Now if I want to go to the right again, I click again. Now it's on Netflix. Now it's on Freevee. Let's say I want to go up, right? I'm going to go to the top arrow. I'm going to pop it up. There's ESPN. And I can go all the way up. There's Venmo, TED, whatever. These are all of my applications. And then if I want to go over to the left, I go this way. There's live TV. There's a streaming box. If I want to go down, bam, I go there. Now let's say that I want to open up Max TV, which it used to be HBO, but now it's Max. What are you going to do? What I would do is once I've navigated there, like I did just now, I would go to the OK button and I would click on it. And that's how you pick something. That's how you open something. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so I pressed on the OK and it's loading. It kind of takes a while to load. I'm going to mute it on the side. If you look on the side, I've got a mute button here. I've got an up and down volume button. To raise it, I click here. To put it down, I'm going to go ahead and mute it for now. When I do that, you're going to see this up in the corner. Okay, so here we are. We're in HBO. Now, if I want to pick something in HBO, I would navigate down first of all because I can't really navigate. I could navigate up, and then I could go like from home to series to movies to HBO, whatever. But what I want to do is I'm going to go down. I'm going to go back to home. All right, I'm going to click there. All right, so now I'm in the home page, and now I can just navigate down. Let's say I go down here, and I want to watch that movie. If it's highlighted and I press OK, it's going to open up. If I go to the next one, it rolls over. So I'm navigating, right? I'm navigating through this, just looking for whatever movie I want to watch. But that's how that works, okay? So now let's say we wanted to go back to the page that we were just at. So let's say we wanted to go back to the page that we were just at. I would click this. So it brings me back to here. That's where we were before that. Let's say I want to go to the home page. I don't want to, be on HBO anymore. I would click that little home button. And that's going to take me right back to the home page. And that's how you navigate through the pages and the apps.